Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy apps charging status not updating. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, we just follow this video. First thing is guys, you manually refresh the app. The most common reason for the stucking the charging percentage is that the app is display the old cache data instead of the live server. So you open the app, swipe down and release manually and refresh the connection. After that guys, force restart the Birdfy app. If swiping down does not work, the app might be frozen. So guys, you close the app, Birdfy app, completely by swiping it away from your phone's background and multitasking menu. Then guys, reopen the app and try the pull to refresh the motion again. Then guys, reboot the camera. Since the camera transmit battery info via Wi-Fi, or a dropped connection or the sleep mode can prevent the data update. Use the include ejector pin or the paper clip to press the reset reboot hole on your Birdfy camera. Wait for about 60 seconds for the camera to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Then guys, open the app and check if the percentage has been updated or not. Then check your hardware and the connections. So guys, check the cable. Ensure the USB-C and securely deeply plugged into the camera charging point. And guys, inspect for the debris. So dirt, dust or the moisture in the charging port can prevent a charger from registration. So if you using the solar panel, so verify that it is receiving the enough direct sunlight to generate the power. So keep in mind that preserve battery life. Some units temporarily halts the charging if the temperature is too extreme or when the battery reaches to the around 93%. Okay, so guys, thank you.